Good morning, everybody. This is Kelly with Jemminz. Welcome back to my channel, and we are going to get ready to open up 10 more Akoya saltwater pearls. Let me turn the camera down. Let's get to it. All right, there we go. Today we're going to open up 9 because I already opened up 2. So I thought last 2 videos I'll just open up 9 each and we'll call it good. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Wrong bag. All right, so let's open this up. I can already see the pearl in there already. I'm going to open it up on this other side so I don't damage that pearl. There we go. That is a pretty white one. We actually got a white one this time. We've been pulling up colors all along. And so now we finally have a white one. I pull that up and we'll measure it. It's a fairly good sized one too. All right. That is a 6.97. There we go. That up there. That's really cool. Put that in there. That's almost pure white. Oh, you can't see it here. Let me pull it forward here. I adjusted my camera in it. There you go. Bring this in a little bit closer so you can see those. There we go. Set that off to the side. Let's open number 2. See what we have here. So far, no twins in any of this batch that I just got in, but that's okay. We're getting some really big ones. Nothing in there. Yep, there's nothing in there. Oops, out of the way so I don't dump it over. That would not be good. All right, this one is 6.99. There you go. That's a kind of pretty pink one. Oh, I can see it already. That one's a white one. Let's see if there's a twin in there, though. This one open. Problem is, I'm trying to be careful not to damage the pearl because I can see it in there. And it's right where I need to cut down. Oh, it's right there. It's okay. There, that muscle would not break. All right, so do we have anything in there? No, as you can see, there's nothing more in there. All right, and that pearl is right here. Just rolled right behind the camera. You couldn't really see it there. That's another pretty, kind of a yellowish white. 6.96. Drop it right in there. Boom. That is a pure white. That is beautiful. Some lucky person's going to get that one. Go get those bath bombs. Because these pearls are in the bath bombs. So if you want one of these pearls, you have to buy the bath bombs. And that one is a purplish, dark purple. No twin. So they will be randomly placed in bath bombs. So definitely go get them. These are perfect for gift giving, 612. They do not have any scent. And I will explain, I'm going to make them up. So if you haven't seen my video on the bath bombs, go watch it. I'll see if I can link it down below here for you. So you can go and watch that video on how I make them and get all the ingredients that are in there and all the lowdown. This one doesn't want to open. Let's see if I can find an opening here. Come on, open. Oh, there we go. Oh, here again, there's the pearl. Right by the muscle. I have to be careful because that pearl is right where I need to break this muscle and I can't do it. There it is. That is kind of an ivory green. Look at that. No twins. This batch didn't have any twins in it, and that sometimes happens. I'll have to go in and see if I can find... I'm going to definitely order some more, so we'll get some in. Get some in for you guys. Okay, 671. Pretty teal. Light mint actually is what this color looks like. Yeah, it's a light mint. Okay. Where are we at here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see if there's a twin in there. There's not. But look at that teal. Get that cleaned up really good. There is that teal. Isn't that beautiful? I am so glad I got these pearls. Okay, 617. Really pretty teal one there. Let's open this one. This one looks like it wants to open, so we're just going to open it up. It's like, open me, open me, open me. So that's what we're going to do. I see it in there. It's a really pretty color. Oh my goodness, that one didn't want to open. There's that teal. Okay, nothing in that one. That gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pearl. 6.59. Oh, I'll just leave it there. I'll leave it there. Okay, I'm going to clean my knife off really quick. That would definitely help. All right. Let's open up these last two pearls. See if I can just pop this one open. This one is already open. Yep, it is. There's a pink one. Is there anything in there? Definitely not a twin. No, there's nothing in there. Deep, deep pink. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? 6.60 is that one. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, no, you can, I know somebody's going to ask me this, so I'm just going to answer it. No, you cannot request the pearl. You have to randomly get them because I make up the bath bombs and then I just put a pearl in there, and there's no telling what color you're going to get because I don't know until I pack them in the pearl. So I need some new water. Okay, there you go. That's kind of a mauvish color. 6.87, so that one's a little bit on the bigger side. All right, so there are our 9 pearls. Let's see if I can roll that one up here a little bit. There you go. There you go. There are our next 9 pearls. So there you go. 9 more pearls to go, and then we should have our 50, and that will be the first batch of 50 that we have out for you guys. I do have more coming, so I'm just cleaning up my table a little bit because it's a mess here. And then I'll order some more pearls for us, and as you guys buy these, we'll get some more in. So don't forget to go onto the website and purchase those pearls. They are randomly picked and put in your bath bomb, and if you haven't seen my bath bomb video, go watch it because I show you how I do that. And who knows what pearl you're going to get, but you're definitely going to get one of the 50 that we are opening up. And I've got 9 more pearls we're going to open up next week, so definitely check back with me on that. And it's all good. It's into the fall now, and we are ready for the getting ready for the holidays, and can't believe it's here already. It's just amazing. But there it is. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below or ask a question if you need to, or reach out to me. Thanks everybody for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.